Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gillian. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut almond yogurt. It is so delicious. One of the best things I've tried lately. I absolutely love it. It is inspired by the infamous Lou Corona recipe. It is so good. This recipe is raw vegan, easy to make at home, and it doesn't have any of the additives that you might find at the grocery store. So let's get started. I'll show you exactly how to make it. First, I'll start out by telling you what you need. You will need some raw almonds. You will need a couple fresh coconuts, which I just picked up at the local grocery store. If they don't have them, which they didn't have at my grocery store, I ordered a case in and they brought them in for me 2 days later. And you will also need some probiotics for the yogurt. So these are the Lou Corona Pura Dyme probiotics, which I absolutely love. So what you want to start out by doing, and you will also need your blender, obviously. What you want to start out by doing is soaking 1 cup of raw almonds in water for 24 hours. So you want to make sure that it doesn't only cover the almonds, but has a little bit more water than the almonds because the almonds will expand. Once your almonds have soaked for 24 hours, you want to go strain and rinse them. So I will go do that and I'll be right back. Here for this video, I've already pre-peeled these almonds, but I think some people might not realize how to peel almonds, which I didn't at first, and it doesn't show you in many of the videos. I do also just want to say you can make this recipe without peeling the almonds, but the yogurt will turn out a little bit brown and it will have some of the fragments from the almond skin in it. So I really prefer to do this with peeled almonds. So I'll show you just how easy it is. These have just been rinsed. So you just use your nail and they peel off pretty easy, just like that. It's not hard at all, it's very easy. There we go, a peeled almond. So after they've been soaked, they peel off pretty easy. So what you want to use is 1 cup of peeled almonds. So this is 1 cup exactly right here. And then you want to use 1.5 cups of coconut meat. So I use fresh coconut. I cracked this open with the Cocoa Jack tool that I got on Amazon. I don't know if they still sell this. One of my friends said they don't. So if you know an alternate tool, please comment down below, because I don't know what I'll do if I ever lose the Cocoa Jack, or some people might need to know what to use. So I just go like this. So then I strain the coconut water just to take out any of the fragments or wood pieces. Then you will want to scoop out the coconut meat from the top and from the inside, just like that. So you take your time, scoop it all out, and what's really important with this is that you clean off all the excess little wood pieces in here. So you can just use your hand, you see, to clean it off. And it's really important to make sure you get all the little brown pieces so that you have a nice, like, white, clean, smooth yogurt. So I pre-did this so you guys don't have to watch me scoop out the meat from like 2 coconuts. So this is 1.5 cups of coconut meat. And then I'm using the water from the coconuts as well. Now this is super important. I will add the probiotics to this as well. So for this recipe, I will use 1/2 teaspoon of the probiotic powder. Okay, so now we will blend this up. Okay, so here we go. This is blended up into a nice creamy texture. So you will want to use a container like this. I have a nice little glass container here, and you will pour it in like so. Look at that. You will be so proud of yourself. This is the most delicious yogurt I've ever had. So here we have our yogurt poured into the glass jar here. So this is a really important step with this yogurt. So you will let it sit on your counter if it's a warm day for 3 hours, and if it's a cool day for 4 to 6 hours. So this is a very important part. If you let it sit too long, it could go pink and then it goes bad, which would be such a shame because you put so much love into making this and it is so delicious. So for me lately, I'm in Toronto and it's been pretty warm. Me letting it sit for 3 hours has worked just perfectly. Then I transition it into the fridge. I seal it once I transition it into the fridge, and then it lasts for about 3 to 4 days. So an important part too when you're letting it sit is when it's on your counter, you want to put the lid just loose on top. Do not seal it up, or put a paper towel over it. So we don't want to mess this up. Then you will have the cultured yogurt when it's done. It is so delicious, so full of probiotics, which is great for your gut, great for your mood, and just so many overall nutrients. I really can't recommend this enough. I do hope you try it because it's so delicious. You will not be let down. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes just like this one, and I will see you next time. Bye.